In the last video, we looked at fgets, the C library function to get a string or a line of text from a file that had been previously opened with fopen. Now let's look at how to put fgetString in a loop and test it to make sure that we got data back from the file and then to display the text on the screen. So we'll pick up where we left off. I will edit fgetString.c, and now all we simply have to do is add a while loop right here. So I'll say while, and then I'll put fgetString in as the while test, and then I'll have the curly brace here to create a block of code, and there's our printf. Okay, so we don't actually need the curly braces, but I'll go ahead and put them in there in case we want to do more processing inside of our while loop. Okay, so why does this work? Well, fgetString, when it's called, it returns, and on success, it returns str, which we know is a pointer to a char. So basically all we have to do is test for null. And if you read through here, it says, if the end of file is encountered while attempting to read a character, the EOF indicator is set. If this happens before any characters could be read, then the pointer returned is a null pointer. Okay, so we are really testing for null. And you'll see in here, they have, on line 12, they have if fgetString. And fgetString is inside of the if test, and it says if fgetString is not equal to null when it returns. Okay, so we can use the same technique in a while loop. Okay, and we have created a new file, new executable called a.out. And sure enough, this time, when we run the program, we get lots of lines of text. And I can even count it to kind of prove to you that we got 215 lines of text. Now you might say, wait a minute, I thought there were only 213 transactions in Wells Fargo data, and that's true. But the difference is this counted as a line, and way up here at the top, when we printed reading, this also counted as a line. So those aren't real lines. And so our 213 holds. And that's basically as easy as it gets to read all of the records in the text file.